Hi everyone, it's Michelle here from Older Women Rock, and I'm pretty sure you would agree with that. Yeah, we just rock. We do. We just rock. I just want to tell you I'm really grateful for anybody who subscribes to my channel. If you want to subscribe, go down below this video and see the subscribe button. Hit that button and you'll also see a bell there. If you hit that bell, you'll get weekly notifications of my videos. You'll see every week, sometimes twice a week, sometimes more. You'll see videos like this where we're having fun. We're having fun with fashion, styling, shopping. We're doing it all on a budget. We're not taking it too seriously. If you're a lady in your 50s or 60s or older and you think that that's something that you're into, you think my channel's for you and you want to see more of these videos, hit subscribe, hit that bell, and I am so grateful. So grateful. Okay, let's get on to it. Let's talk about messy buns for older ladies. It's what we used to call beehive styles in the olden days. Remember the old beehive? Well, we're rocking it still. Let's see if we can do it. Some say that we shouldn't wear buns as we get older or wear our hair up because it makes us look older. Well, I've got news for those ones. Stick around. Does it make us look older? Does a messy bun make us look older? I don't believe so. I believe it's the way you wear it and what you wear with it. So I don't know if any of you have ever seen that fantastic. It's just so fantastic. TV sitcom, the old one, absolutely fabulous, otherwise known as Ab Fab. There was the main character in that one. There were two main characters, but one was Patsy. Patsy was famous for her messy hair bun, or what we used to call in the olden days a beehive. She was totally famous for it, but Patsy didn't wear it in a traditional old-fashioned way. Women in their 50s and 60s and 70s, we don't look like they used to in the 50s or 60s. We don't look like that anymore, and we can wear messy hair buns, but we can rock it up because that's what Patsy did. She rocked it up. So in respect for Patsy, I'm wearing my Patsy leopard print t-shirt because Patsy wasn't Patsy without leopard print, and she wasn't Patsy without her messy hair bun. So what I do is I take as much of my hair as I can and brush it all back, right? So we're going all back as high as I can get it. I'm going to get my hair up as high as I possibly can, which is, so get the ponytail. We're starting with a ponytail. Get your elastic band up, or whatever you're using, your scrunchie or something not too wide. And I've got it up as high as I can, and I'm going to pull a little bit of hair out there to loosen it up just a little bit. The next thing that we do is, if you're into this, is we can tease it up a little bit to get even more volume in it. So you can tease, and then what I do is really nothing very sophisticated. I just wrap it round like this. Some women use the elastics to do it. They just put the elastic itself in, and then I have my bobby pins. The long bobby pins are better, I think, than the shorter ones. So I have to place, some women don't like using the bobby pins. It'll stay in without it, mine does not. That it will fall out because I've got pretty fine hair. So as you can see, I've pulled a little bit out here in the front, so I've loosened it up, given it more volume here in the front. I've pulled quite a few bits down on the side. If you have a bang or a fringe, you don't have to do that, of course, but I don't, and if you don't, just pull a few pieces out. So I also sprayed on some of my L'Oreal Magic Retouch because the grey was showing. I'm growing my colour out, so I'm going grey. But Patsy would never, ever go out with grey hair. She had blonde running through her veins. So keeping true to Patsy, I sprayed a little bit of blonde in the front there to warm it up. It'll come out when I wash my hair. Look. Older women we definitely can wear a messy bun, and it's how we wear it. I put on my boho earrings. I've got the rock boho chic look going on here. It's how we wear it. We don't have to look like the old grannies did back in the 50s and 60s. Not anymore. No way. We're rocking it, remember? So I'm channeling Patsy here from Ab Fab. So darlings, darlings, I really hope you think this is fabulous. I hope you think I've done a fabulous job. I'm not doing a very good imitation, am I? I'm trying to. She called everybody darling and sweetie. Darling and sweetie. Thank you, ladies. Thanks for watching. See you later. Bye-bye now.